Hi, eighth graders. My name is Miss Hench. I am one of the English teachers up at the high school at Simley, and I wanted to take a quick second to talk about your options next year as ninth graders for your English class. So, as a ninth grader, next year, you will have two options of English classes you can take. The first choice is called Com 9 or Communications 9. Your second choice is Honors Communications 9. So you have just the two choices. I wanted to talk a little bit about the differences between the two classes so you can make the choice that is best for you as a student. So in both classes, we really work on the same things. In both classes, we work a lot on writing essays and reading texts and do some other sort of activities along the way. In both classes, we will read multiple books. Here's two examples of the books we're going to read. We'll read The Giver, Trimester 1. We'll read Legend, Trimester 2. And some other things in there as well, some short stories. So the nice thing is in both classes, you'll read similar texts. Where the differences really come in is in how those texts are read, what essays look like, and just kind of the caliber of what's expected. Honors would be a great option for students who oftentimes turn in their work on time, who ask questions in class, and who really want to be in a class that is honors. If you take Honors 9 English, so Honors Com 9, you will be able to take Honors Com 10, and then when you're an 11th or 12th grader, you have a lot of college options and AP options you can take. So if that's something that's important to you as you get later into high school, I highly recommend taking Honors 9. If you're wondering, because I know you have a couple options, if you're like really wanting to take at least one or two honors classes at the high school, Honors Com 9 is a great choice. It's a little bit more challenging than Com 9, but it's not too bad. So it would be a great way to at least take an honors class without maybe overwhelming yourself. Com 9, though, is a great option if you are just not wanting to go on that honors route. So again, you'll do the same thing. You will take or do kind of the same assignments, the same type essays, read the same things, but Com 9 will go a little bit slower and have a little bit more support. So again, those are your two options. Next year, you register either for Com 9 or Honors Com 9. If you have any questions, please talk to your current 8th grade English teacher, or you can always send me an email. My email is henschm@isd199.org. So that's henschm@isd199.org. But good luck finishing up 8th grade. And if you have any questions about what to do when you get to the high school, please reach out and ask your teachers for help. We all want you to take the best classes for you next year. Thank you.